In reference to making your hair fuller using the microstrand technology, or of course if you're a hair professional offering this technology to your clients, questions have been asked, and one of the questions was, can you still color your hair? Of course, it's human hair. Remember, one hair at a time is fed onto this, customized until it becomes one example, this, where you can see right through it. And then when that's blended between your client's own hair or your own hair, it disappears. Your hair, your existing hair, stays healthy. So it's a blend of your existing hair or your client's existing hair. You're a hair professional. And because it blends in, it will match any color combination. Remember though, it's human hair. So you can color it if you choose to, because you can do anything with the hair that you would be able to do with your own hair. So this is a very advanced technology. So if you're an individual looking into this microstrand technology, remember, one hair at a time, fit onto this, becomes this, as one example, blend it between your own hair like mine, where you don't see or feel anything at all, and then you'll have full hair, full time, and you'll be able to do anything with it, including hair coloring if you choose to. If you're an individual, click on the button below and you can schedule a video call or regular call to find out your details and all your options. If you're a hair professional, click on the button below and you'll be able to receive a free personalized website. And this personalized website will have your name, your professional name, your name, will have your contact information. It'll have a video in it that shows your clients each detail about how this works. It'll have before and after pictures. It'll have testimonials in it. All right, it'll even have some options in it on the shop page to show all the different optional designs that you can do. All right, it's really unlimited. So if you're an individual, press the button below, schedule a phone or video call. If you're a hair professional, press the button below while it's still available, because this free website with free training is only available for a limited time to a limited amount of hair professionals to get this technology out. So please take the next step if you're interested and click the button below.